Hey everybody, it's Tracy here. So today is day 8 of 8 on my staycation. And on my previous video, I had told you I was trying to use up some of my graphic 45 hoards. I did 4 kits total. I didn't do every project in all the kits. I think there was a banner that I didn't do. And then the other kit that I started last night, I didn't complete both projects. I still have time because I don't work till 3:30 tomorrow to do the second project in it. But anyways, I still have like 6 kits left, which now that I have to go back to adulting, they probably won't get completed super soon, but hopefully. Anyways, so I'm going to share with you projects from both the kits. This one here, and then the next project is from volume 2 of 2019. And I actually bought it to eventually make this and give to my granddaughter. I'm not sure if she's careful enough yet because she's 7, so she's still kind of at that destructive age. But the projects in this kit were super easy to follow and quite fast to work with. I did do a couple of different things on it, and I'll explain it as I go. So this was a princess jewelry box, and then there was a card also. Pretty much everything on the front was per instructions, except for I did add some glossy accents on there. I should have done it with this laying flat because it kind of ran. But anyways, so it's one of the graphic 45 kit boxes. Not kit boxes, but graphic 45 boxes. And it did come with the tags, and one of the tags was used in here. So one fun thing about it was the roses that came in the kit, you just dabbed on some acrylic paint and then let that dry. And then with the leaves as well. So on here on the front, there's some roses and then the leaves that are painted, and there's a little chipboard piece there. And this piece here was fussy cut out. I thought about putting something in there just to kind of prop her up, but she seems to be doing pretty well. There's another little chipboard piece here. And then, like I said, this one here, it's a tag. And I put a little glossy accents on the rose. And then if you turn it around here, there's also a couple more of the roses with the acrylic paint and some leaves just to prop that tag up. I did ink around with one of the chalk paints that I picked up, or chalk ink pads I picked up at the Goodwill a couple years ago. On the bottom, you were supposed to put some brads that came with the kit on the bottom, but I chose to just use some small wood beads. And then, of course, the paper on the bottom. And then you were supposed to use some ivory ribbon, and I really didn't have one that I liked, so I found this at, I don't know, probably a thrift shop or something, but it's got a little bit of the pink and the browns in it, and I thought that worked well with this paper line. This here is one of the tags that you scored and folded over. And it just opens up here. And then on the inside is another one of those acrylic roses. Not acrylic roses, acrylic painted roses. And a brad. And then I put some glossy accents here, and then popped up this chipboard tag. And I mean, it's pretty simple. It's not a whole lot of, going on with it. And then as you can see, I inked all the edges. The hardest part, I think, for me was this little trim right here, because I didn't cut it correctly. So there is a little boo-boo, but unless you point it out, you wouldn't know. So that was pretty simple. And I think I might put like a little book in there or something. I still have 2 of the tags that came with it. So there's that. Really simple and easy to do. And then the second part of that kit was this card here. And they call it a Princess Heart Charm card. Oops, got it upside down. So, again, it said to use ivory ribbon, and I just used some of this ribbon here because I really liked it. And just thought it went well with the paper line. So there's a little chipboard tag there. And this is also another card that I've never, style that I've never made before. And it just ties here and it wraps around on the back. I feel like I should have inked the back, but that's okay. So we're just going to go ahead and untie this. And there's just a little die cut ephemera card there. Ephemera. It's not an ephemera card. I actually had to cut it out. Sorry. And this opens up like this. And then some more inking. And then another one of the little cutouts. And then, I don't know, I think I might put like a little solid cardstock there. I'm not really sure. And then it just opens up this way and another cutout there as well. So that was from that kit. Like I said, these are really simple to follow. No, I don't have tutorials on them, but I was told that if you go to the Graphic 45 site, you can find tutorials on them, or at least the instruction sheets, excuse me, because everybody was asking me when I shared them onto the Graphic 45 page. And no, like I said, I don't have the tutorial on them. Okay, and then this one here, I don't know what year this kit was because it doesn't say, but it was volume 7, and it's Imagine. And it has in here this wallet fold envelope album, and then also, which like I said, it didn't get to complete, is a Z-fold card, which I want to try that as well because I've not made those as either. So on here, I did add a lot to it after doing the basic instructions. It did come with a piece of Velcro. It didn't say to add it, but I did anyways because as you can see, it kind of pops out a little bit. I think I should have done it differently. I did some ribbon. This here, I actually had to cut all of these out. So that was fun because I'm not very good at cutting small pieces. There's some roses here and a little butterfly and then the clock, and it's popped up. I may go back and add some glossy accents to it. And then a little keyhole there. I think I over inked this as well. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I got a little carried away. So it just opens up like this. And then here, I did add this. It wasn't part of the instructions. It did say, you know, go back and through and finish it however you'd like. So it's a little sticker that I put on some cardstock and popped that up. Whoops. And then down here, this was all fussy cut and I popped that up. And then it came with this awesome stamp set. And it's really, I love it. Definitely the kits are worth the price because I have a lot of the keyholes left over, a lot of the ephemera cards, and then a ton of the paper. Sorry if that was too fast. Anyways, so then I used the stamp set here and cut this out and stamped. And there's the other Velcro dot. And we're just going to probably lay this down. There's another sticker here, put on some chipboard and popped up. I think I've made this type of album before, but I'm not 100% on it. So there's an ephemera card popped up there, and this flips out this way. Another one here, and it folds out this way. And then on this side is another ephemera card that we cut down, and I probably will go back and put some glossy accents on that as well. Same with over here, another ephemera card. And then they have a couple little pullouts here. And then I did add a sticker on either side just for the pullout. And then as well over here. I tried not to ink anymore after I over inked. And so some of the pullouts don't have any ink and stuff like that because I just feel like I got a little carried away on it. Right here, this was also something that I added on. Originally, this stamped image was over here on this corner. And I wanted it opposite. So I thought it would look funny if I had two butterflies because there is actually one underneath it there. So I decided to go with a pocket on there. I added a little sticker. And then I decided to create this little pullout with some more of the ephemera cards. And there's that. Over here is the same thing. I added this little pocket with a sticker and another I added that stamped image because it didn't show. Like I said, it was just giving you ideas. Another fold out with some more of those ephemera cards. I did have to cut them down a little bit. Actually, I just had to round the corners. And then this fold out like this. Took a sticker stamp, or a postage stamp that was a sticker, and I used these scissors if you can find them. Usually you can find them at Walmart. They're usually a 2-pack. There's a pinky one and then the stamp one, and it works perfect for their for that stamped image cut out there. And I put that on some cardstock and popped it up on either side. In here, it actually showed this same ephemera card for both, and I just wanted to use as much as I could. On here, I added this little sticker sheet, or sticker trim. That was just something I added. More ephemera cards. Okay, and we had to build the pocket there. That was fun. And then this opens out, and more of that stamped border, and another ephemera card here. I mean, this one was pretty simple to make as well. And then another sticker that I added there that, again, was not in the original instructions, but was, like I said, suggested. I think that maybe I should have went and added some magnets in here so that it would close better, because once you close it up, it's really hard. I mean, it's acts like it wants to pop open. So anyways, those are my 3 projects that I completed in the, let's see, the last 2 days. And like I said, I do have to go back to adulting tomorrow. But I wanted to share with you all my creations. And I just want to say thanks for commenting, giving a big thumbs up. I hope you all are having a fabulous day out there. I picked the wrong week to take on my staycation because now we got 80-degree weather coming up. But yeah, let me know what you think about if I over inked that or not. And you guys have a fabulous day. Bye.